Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log in into your Commonwealth Bank account. So let's get started. First of all, open your web browser and in the search bar, type in my.commbank.com.au. It will take you to the official website of Commonwealth Bank. And over here in this interface, enter the client number of your account and in the password section, enter your password. You can check mark this remember client number if you are using your private computer for further use, but I do not recommend if you are using a public or shared computer. And once you do that, click on log on. You will be logged into your Commonwealth Bank account. And if you guys forgot your login credentials, click here I have forgotten my login details to reset it. And to create a new account on Commonwealth Bank, click here register for net bank now. So this was for this video. This is how you can log in into your Commonwealth Bank account. Hope you guys understand and find our video helpful. If you did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. And also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you guys for watching.